Crash course on Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. Newfoundland and Labrador is a province located on the easternmost edge of Canada. Let's explore the key aspects of this province. Geographical location. Newfoundland and Labrador is situated on the northeastern coast of North America. It is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Gulf of St. Lawrence to the north. Capital. The capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador is St. John's, located on the Avalon Peninsula. St. John's is known for its vibrant culture, colorful row houses, and scenic coastal views. Population. The province has a population of around 525,000 people. The population is diverse, with a mix of indigenous communities, European settlers, and newcomers from around the world. Economy. Newfoundland and Labrador's economy is heavily influenced by its natural resources. The province is known for its offshore oil and gas industry, fishing and aquaculture, mining, and hydroelectric power. Education. The province has several universities and colleges, including Memorial University of Newfoundland, which is known for its research and innovation. Education plays a crucial role in preserving the province's cultural heritage and promoting economic growth. Brief history. The province has a rich history dating back thousands of years, with indigenous peoples inhabiting the land long before European contact. The area was explored by Viking settlers around the 11th century and later became an important fishing hub for European nations. Newfoundland and Labrador became a province of Canada in 1949. Cultures and politics. Newfoundland and Labrador has a distinct cultural identity influenced by its fishing heritage and the resilience of its people. The province is known for its traditional music, storytelling, and unique dialects. Politically, the province has a parliamentary democracy and is represented by elected officials in the provincial legislature. Top 12 attractions in Newfoundland and Labrador. 1. Gros Morne National Park. Explore stunning fjords, hike the tablelands, and witness breathtaking landscapes in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Signal Hill. Visit the historic site where Marconi received the first transatlantic wireless signal and enjoy panoramic views of St. John's. 3. Iceberg Alley. Witness the beauty of icebergs floating along the coast during the spring and early summer months. 4. Lanceo Meadows. Discover the only known Viking settlement in North America, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 5. Cape Spear. Stand at the easternmost point in North America and visit the oldest surviving lighthouse in Newfoundland and Labrador. 6. Twillingate. Experience the charm of an outport community, go iceberg watching, and explore rugged coastal landscapes. 7. Terra Nova National Park. Immerse yourself in nature, hike scenic trails, and enjoy camping and wildlife viewing. 8. Fogo Island. Visit this unique island known for its contemporary art scene, striking landscapes, and community-driven tourism. 9. The Rooms. Explore the Provincial Museum, Art Gallery, and Archives in St. John's, showcasing the history and culture of Newfoundland and Labrador. 10. Trinity. Step back in time in this picturesque town with colorful houses, historic sites, and a vibrant theater scene. 11. Bonavista Peninsula. Discover charming coastal communities, visit historic sites like the Ryan Premises, and watch for whales and seabirds. 12. Red Bay National Historic Site. Learn about the Basque whaling industry in the 16th century and explore archaeological sites. Summary. Newfoundland and Labrador, with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, offers a unique experience for visitors. From the rugged beauty of Gros Morne National Park to the colorful streets of St. John's, the province is a treasure trove of natural and cultural wonders. Poem about Newfoundland and Labrador. In Newfoundland and Labrador's embrace, where rugged beauty paints the space, from St. John's Harbour to Gros Morne's grace, a land where stories find their place. Icebergs dance in the Atlantic's tide, as puffins soar and whales collide. Lighthouses guide the way, steadfast and true, as waves crash on shores, a magnificent view. Lanceo Meadows, where Vikings once tread, their ancient footsteps whispering, it's said. Terra Nova's wildness, a nature's delight, where forests and rivers intertwine in flight. Fogo Island's art, a contemporary quest, a creative haven where souls find rest. Trinity's charm, a town of old, with colorful houses and stories untold. From Bonavista's shores, where history resides, to Red Bay's Basque legacy, secrets it hides. Newfoundland and Labrador, a province so grand, a place where nature and culture hand in hand. Song about Newfoundland and Labrador. Verse 1. In a land of rugged beauty and shores so wide, Newfoundland and Labrador, our hearts confide. From St. John's to Gros Morne's embrace, a province of wonder, a captivating space. Chorus. Oh, Newfoundland and Labrador, where stories unfold. In your rugged landscapes, our spirits behold. With icebergs and whales, and nature so grand, this land of dreams will forever stand. Verse 2. From Lanceo meadows to Terra Nova's grace, ancient whispers linger in every place. Fogo Island's art, a vibrant flame. Trinity's charm, where time won't tame. Bridge. Bonavista's history, a tapestry untold. Red Bay's mysteries, treasures of old. In Newfoundland and Labrador, cultures unite. A mosaic of voices, shining so bright. Chorus. Oh, Newfoundland and Labrador, where stories unfold. In your rugged landscapes, our spirits behold. With icebergs and whales, and nature so grand, this land of dreams will forever stand. Outro. In the province's heart, we'll forever roam. Newfoundland and Labrador, our cherished home. Oh, Newfoundland and Labrador, our love will remain. A place of wonder, where memories sustain. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.